Projectors have come a long way, and the NEC PA853W LCD projector is proof of that. This isn't just a gadget you set up and forget. It's designed for anyone who needs a reliable, professional-grade projector that delivers consistently bright and crisp visuals. Whether it's for a home theater, office presentation, or a classroom setup. Its minimalistic white design keeps it sleek and professional, allowing it to blend into any environment while still packing serious performance. One of the standout features of this projector is its brightness. Rated at 5,000 ANSI lumens, it produces vibrant images even in rooms with significant ambient light. There's no need to rely on perfect darkness to enjoy clear, detailed visuals. This makes it versatile for multiple uses, whether watching films, delivering presentations, or teaching classes. The image quality is where the projector really impresses. Using advanced LCD technology, it delivers accurate colors, crisp detail, and impressive contrast. Text in presentations appears sharp and readable, while videos and graphics pop with lifelike color. Its WUXGA resolution of 1920 by 1200 ensures extra clarity over standard Full HD, which is ideal for detailed content, professional work, or immersive movie experiences. Setup and installation are straightforward thanks to flexible lens shift and zoom capabilities. This means ceiling-mounted installations or off-center projector placements won't compromise image quality. Adjusting the projection to fit the screen is easy, even if the projector isn't perfectly aligned. That flexibility saves both time and frustration, whether it's being installed in a home theater or a large conference room. When it comes to connectivity, the NEC PA853W doesn't disappoint. Multiple HDMI ports, VGA, and network control support make it easy to connect laptops, streaming devices, Blu-ray players, and other equipment. For professional or institutional use, network control allows remote management of the projector, a major convenience for ceiling-mounted setups or multi-room installations. Durability and reliability are another strong point. With up to 4,000 hours of lamp life in standard mode, this projector is designed for longevity. NEC's reputation for high-quality build and consistent performance means it's a long-term investment that won't easily degrade with frequent use. Real-world performance highlights its versatility. Movies feel immersive, filling the room in a way that a standard TV cannot. Office presentations maintain sharpness and readability even in brightly lit environments. Detailed slides, charts, and graphs are clear, making it ideal for professional use. The color accuracy remains consistent across all content types, which is essential for both business and entertainment applications. Audio, while built-in, is functional but not exceptional. For anyone seeking a full cinematic experience, pairing it with external speakers is highly recommended. This ensures the visuals are complemented with equally impressive sound, turning any space into a true entertainment hub. In short, the NEC PA853W LCD projector combines brightness, clarity, flexible installation, multiple connectivity options, and reliable long-term performance. It's suitable for professionals, educators, and home cinema enthusiasts alike. Whether it's for presentations, teaching, or immersive movie nights, it handles every scenario with ease, making it one of the most dependable projectors in its class. For anyone looking to upgrade their projection setup, this projector delivers professional quality performance without compromise. If you're ready to experience high-quality visuals that are bright, detailed, and reliable, the NEC PA853W is a solid choice. Check the link in the description to get your NEC Corporation PA853W LCD projector white today.